Hello students, welcome back to grammar class. Today we'll begin our journey into the world of adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe a noun. There are different types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives. Adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality tell us about the quality of a noun. An adjective of quality answers the question, what kind? Examples: magnificent, new, fast, etc. Adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity tell us about the quantity of a noun. An adjective of quantity can only describe uncountable nouns. Examples: some, most, few, etc. Quantifiers are measuring words such as most, some, and few, which modify the noun. Adjectives of number. Ordinal numbers are the words that tell us about the order and rank of countable nouns such as fifth, second, tenth, etc. Cardinal numbers are words that tell us about the quantity of countable nouns such as 1, 2, 5, etc. Adjectives of number are cardinal and ordinal numbers that tell us the amount of countable nouns. An adjective of number answers the question, how many of a countable noun? Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are adjectives used to specifically describe the position of something or someone in space or time. Examples: this, that, these, those. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are words which are used with nouns to ask questions. Examples: whose, what, which. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are words which are used with nouns to show possession. Examples: my, our, your, his, her, its, their. Making new adjectives by adding suffixes. We can make adjectives from other words by adding suffixes to them. Let's look at the given examples to understand better. Making opposite or negative words by adding prefixes. We can place a prefix before the word to make opposite or negative words. Examples: I am plus perfect equals imperfect. Dis plus honor equals dishonor. Other prefixes such as in, un, I am, I are, and non can be added to the words to make negative or opposite words. Degrees of comparison. Read the sentences below carefully. Shiva is a smart student. Isha is smarter than Shiva. Charan is the smartest student in the class. We use degrees of comparison to compare the qualities of two or more nouns when using an adjective. The 3 degrees of comparison are below. Positive degree of adjective. An adjective is said to be in the positive degree when no comparison is made and the word is in its base form. Example: this is an old watch. Comparative degree of adjective. An adjective is said to be in the comparative degree when a comparison between two nouns is shown. Example: Himani's watch is older than your watch. Superlative degree of adjective. An adjective is said to be in the superlative degree when a comparison is made among more than two nouns. Example: this is the oldest watch I've ever seen. Let's learn how to form degrees of comparison. We add R and EST to the adjectives ending with E to form their comparative and superlative degrees. Check the examples. We add ER and EST to the adjectives ending in Y by changing Y into I to form their comparative and superlative degrees. Check the examples. Sometimes we double the single consonants such as T, N, D, and G before adding ER or EST to the adjective ending in these single consonants to form their comparative and superlative degrees. However, there are exceptions. Check the examples. We add more to form the comparative degree and most to form the superlative degree form of longer adjectives. There are some adjectives which do not form their comparative and superlative degrees from the positive degree and have irregular forms. Check the examples. Practice time. Pause and answer the questions. Check the answer. All right, children. Great job today, everyone. Keep practicing and don't forget to subscribe for more fun lessons. See you next time.